Hey there everyone, John Bowens from Equity Trust Company. I'm here to invite you to one of our upcoming wealth building workshops. This is an all-day training class where we'll showcase how folks are making tax-free and tax-deferred profits and cash flow using their self-directed IRAs, Roth IRAs, 401ks, covered education savings accounts, and even health savings accounts. At this all-day class, it's an opportunity to learn through case studies. This is a client success story driven class. So you're going to learn about the real world application of investing in real estate, notes, and other types of real estate based assets using self-directed IRAs, ultimately creating tax-free and tax-deferred cash flows. And it also can be a great opportunity to network with like-minded investors in your own individual community. Go to iraevents.com for more information or to register. We look forward to seeing you at the next Wealth Building Workshop.